If you have an old pair of jeans that's too worn out to wear anymore, you can easily upcycle them and turn them into this cute little keychain wallet. This denim wallet has 5 pockets for cards and ID, as well as an inside pocket that I use for cash. Because denim is typically thicker than other fabric, I do recommend using a heavy-duty needle with your sewing machine. You can download the free pattern for this wallet in the description below, and then follow along with my step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to apply interfacing to the front and back wallet pieces. Now you want to get the pockets prepped. Fold over the top of the pocket pieces a 1/2 inch and sew them in place. Now you want to stack the pockets to sew them to the back of the wallet. One at a time, we're going to layer the 3 pocket pieces. Stitch around the sides and the bottom so that everything is basted in place. Now we're going to repeat that process for the front of the wallet. And you will baste along the sides and bottom of all layers. So now you should have the front and back of the wallet prepped. Now it's time to add the lining. With right sides together, place the lining on top of the front and back pieces. After sewing, you want to make sure that you trim the seam to reduce bulk, and then flip the lining to the back of the wallet and press in place. Now let's get the tab ready. And sew the edges to the middle and then fold the tab in half. Now you want to baste the tab to the top of the wallet. With right sides together, sew the front and the back of the wallet. The finished edges with the lining should line up, and you want to sew the other 3 sides. Now you want to make sure that you trim the seams and clip the corners. You want to reduce as much bulk as possible. Turn the wallet to the right side, and if your machine can handle it, edge stitch around the perimeter through all layers. This will just help the wallet stay a little bit flatter. And that's it, you're finished.